Save yourself, listen and practice. There were 4 friends named Mahesh, Ramesh, Rakesh, and Mohan. They belonged to the same village. Once they were invited to attend a marriage function in a distant village. Therefore, they decided to go to attend the marriage party together. On the day of the marriage, started their journey early in the morning, so that they could cross the forest before darkness falls. While they were crossing the forest cautiously, they could not enjoy its beauty because they were afraid of the wild animals. That's why they wanted to cross the forest speedily. By noon, they had crossed more than half the way. All of a sudden, Mahesh asked Ramesh, Rakesh, and Mohan to stop and said, "There may be danger ahead as the area is known for its tigers. Let us check for the tigers first, then we will proceed further." They all looked here and there. At this moment, Mohan saw the tail of a tiger behind the bushes. He trembled with fear and cried, "There is a tiger behind the bushes. Now, what do we do? How can we save our lives?" Mahesh said, "Do not be afraid of the tiger. Have faith in God. We should pray to God. He will protect us." Ramesh climbed up a tree and said to his friends, "Do not waste time in talking. Quickly, climb up a tree. God helps those who help themselves. Be quick. Save yourself." So Mahesh, Rakesh, and Mohan rushed to a nearby tree and climbed up. They all waited for the tiger to go. When the tiger went away, they descended from the tree. Thus, they crossed the forest safely and reached the village to attend the marriage party.